Good day, fellas. I'm Santi Aparicio. Bloody bear. Anyways, for survival situations like these, I'm gonna teach you how to make a candle. For this, you'll need a jar, string, oil, a lighter, a power drill, and then avo. Oh, what a beauty. Wait, no, scratch that last one. Focus, mate. Now you're gonna put your oil into the jar and fill it. Now be careful, lad. We're gonna pop a hole through this lid. Crikey! Now you're gonna yank the string through, but only leave a wee bit poking out, like this. Now you're gonna sink the string in the oil, screw that bad boy back on, and we're done. What a ripper! I should probably vamoose now, huh?